Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and Robux available. This avoids interruptions. Once logged into Roblox, join Brookhaven and load into the map so avatar changes save correctly. Make sure you're in a safe spot, no combat or server resets, then open the avatar menu. You'll need to access either the avatar shop or backpack depending on where the mesh face is stored. This step gets you into the right place to acquire and equip the mesh face immediately. You'll search the avatar shop using the mesh face name or the creator's profile. This narrows results fast. Once found, verify if it's a free item or requires Robux, then complete the purchase or claim instantly. After acquiring it, open your avatar menu and choose the faces or accessories slot where mesh faces appear and equip the item. If Brookhaven requires a specific accessory slot or package, make sure you select that exact slot. Once equipped, re-enter the Brookhaven server to force your avatar's appearance to refresh for everyone. If the mesh face appears invisible or distorted, remove other face accessories and retry, because conflicts often hide meshes. Make sure package body types aren't overriding the face. If so, switch to the compatible body or package. If problems persist, clear Roblox cache or leave and rejoin the server. And finally, reach out to the mesh creator for known bugs. This typically resolves stubborn display issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.